Hello friends, my name is Rekha. Today I thought of making the video for the momos recipe. So let me tell you, this is the first time I am trying to make momos at home. So let's get started. First of all, we have the dough ready. I have used all-purpose flour for this, and for the momo stuffing we're using carrot, cabbage, and spring onions, and some finely chopped ginger, and finely chopped garlic, and the green chilies, and we have a black pepper here, and some salt and oil for frying. Okay, so we have already have the pan ready with oil on it. Once oil get heated, we will put our first ingredient, that is garlic. So let's take the garlic and put it. Don't forget to keep the gas flame on low medium so that these things will not be burned, and we just need to stir fry these little bit, not much. Now saute it well so that the raw fragrance will be gone. Now we will put some ginger, saute it well. With this we're gonna put the green chilies. Now the raw fragrance of these ingredients have gone, so we'll put some spring onions. Remember, we don't need to overcook all these things, just gently. Now we are gonna put some carrot, finely chopped carrot. And the cabbage. Let's cook it for a while. Keep saute. Now we're gonna put some salt to this. You can put as per your taste. And some black pepper. Now at this point we will sprinkle some more the rest of the spring onions. It will give it a nice flavor. Now saute it. As you can see, our momo stuffing is ready. So now we'll turn off the heat. Now you can see our momo stuffing is ready, but it is quite hot. So before making the momos, it should come to the room temperature. Keep it aside, and we'll move on to making the momos chutney. For that we need a pan and water in that, and we need to put some red chilies and tomatoes into this, and we need to boil these until it gets tender. You can see as after 10 minutes, when both the things get boiled properly, then you can also find out by the way that when the skin started coming out, then you can drain the water away and this will remain, and you need to take out the skin of the tomatoes and you need to grind it well in a thin paste. Okay, so I'm going to grind it. Now we have grinded the tomatoes and the chili in a thin paste. Now let's start making the chutney. For that we need a pan, put some oil, now you can add the fresh ginger and garlic, but I am using the ginger garlic paste. Put approx 1 teaspoon of both. Add soya sauce to this. Saute it. Now add in the tomato and chili paste. Mix it gently. Now add in some sugar. Salt to taste. And you can use vinegar or lemon juice. And mix it well for 3-4 minutes and then it will be ready. You can see our chili tomato sauce is ready, and this is the tomato ketchup. These two sauces I will be using while serving momos. Now let's move on to the momos. I have prepared the momos in 2 shapes. I know didn't come out so well, but I tried because it's for the first time I have made. So now I will steam these momos. So let me put it into the steamer. Now we will cover the lid and cook it until it gets tender. You guys can see my momos and the chutney is ready. You guys can also try at home and let me know how the recipe have came out. Thank you.